All right, hello, and welcome. I was interrupted, had a call, but anyway, I have plugged this data set in while the computer was on, and there's no belt in there. Nothing is spinning, and also now the keys are stuck. They are. So it may be. Look, parts are good. It may be that what's happened here is that I might have a nicer looking case than I had before. Well, the bottom is not so nice looking. It's got issues. All right, I am going to, with great care, while nothing is pressed down, unplug this. The computer still goes on. Never plug anything in, or unplug with the power on the computer. All right, let's see what we got in here. Oh, well, that might be part of the belt. It might be. So here's the bottom of the case. Looks inside, not bad. On the back, you may have seen before, there's a lot of tape. And, oh, maybe somebody had a rubber band in here. I'm a little baffled as to why the buttons are so upset. Why this one, I did the rewind and it is stuck. Well, yeah. Yeah, I think this could be relegated to the parts department. Still not sure. Oh, that's that thing. Or it is hard to know whether, I haven't had one of these apart and really looked into it in, well, ever. So it's hard to tell what's up, but definitely the belt is gone. Here, this is what it looks like inside. It's a data set. And, probably, if nothing else, the top looks good. We'll see if anything else ever comes together. My gut says, well, who knows? Maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. All right. Get this cord up. These ones here also. The cords on the later data sets are all plugged in. Very modular. And this is not so. So I'm going to try to get this back together. There are 3 screws. There are 3 screws. Excuse me. There are 3 screws. Alright, are we back together? Yeah, kind of. Well, yeah. Since this tape on here is going to come off at some point, I'm going to write on it. It may be that this was like Velcro or something. I don't know. Anyway, this is toast. But there may be maybe parts. Certainly the case is looking pretty good. Well, that's about all I have to say about that. parts of grid. Okay. So now I can, with great care, put this little arm back up into its little spot. And very carefully close this. And stay there. Oh, and that. I don't know what that thing is. But it's not good. Alright, garbage. It is. Anyway. Oh, here, I knocked something here. No. Don't knock things. Maybe I need to move this pile here. Get some containers with some stuff. Probably best not under my feet. Anyway. Thanks so much for coming. Thanks for being here. There is more stuff from this Christmas Day haul. Check it. There is. But for now, that's all. So have a lovely, lovely day. Have a lovely, lovely year. We'll see you again. Bye for now.